Once upon a time, in a small village named Greenfield, there lived a doctor named Dr. Horace. He was known far and wide for his medical skills, but he was also known for something else: his greed. Dr. Horace loved money more than anything in the world. He would charge his patients exorbitant fees, even if they were poor and could barely afford food. The villagers had no choice but to visit him because he was the only doctor in town. But they all secretly wished for someone kinder to take his place. One day, a strange illness spread through the village. People suffered from high fevers, terrible headaches, and weakness. The villagers rushed to Dr. Horace, hoping for a cure. Seeing this as an opportunity to make more money, the greedy doctor raised his fees even higher. "If you want to be cured, you must pay," he declared. Many families sold their belongings just to afford his treatment. But no matter how much medicine he gave, the illness did not go away. An old woman named Granny Mabel, who knew a lot about herbs and natural remedies, noticed something strange. She visited Dr. Horace and said, "Doctor, your medicines are not working. Maybe we should try something different." Dr. Horace scoffed. "Nonsense. My medicines are the best. If they're not working, the patients aren't paying enough." Granny Mabel shook her head and left. She decided to help the sick villagers herself, using her knowledge of herbs. Slowly, some people began to recover. When Dr. Horace saw that Granny Mabel was curing people for free, he grew furious. "She's stealing my patients," he thought. He decided to teach her a lesson. One night, he sneaked into her garden and poisoned her healing herbs. The next day, when Granny Mabel used them, her remedies stopped working. The villagers grew sicker than before. But what Dr. Horace didn't know was that a little boy, Tommy, had seen him poisoning